The F53 error code on a front-load washing machine indicates a problem with the motor or speed sensor. This issue can be caused by several factors, including taco generator problems and worn-out carbon brushes. To resolve the error, it is necessary to inspect the taco generator and ensure it is functioning properly. This can be done by removing the front wall of the washing machine, locating the taco generator, and using a multimeter to measure its resistance, which should be approximately 500 ohms if the resistance is not within the correct range. The taco generator should be replaced. Additionally, the carbon brushes should be checked by unplugging the washer, removing the front panel to access the motor, and inspecting the condition of the brushes. If the brushes are worn out, they should be removed and replaced with new ones, and the wires reconnected. After completing these steps, the washer should be reassembled, plugged back in, and run to determine if the F53 error has been resolved.